Good morning. So, fun fact, the McCormick Spice Factory, it's about a mile that way. And this morning, smells like oregano with a hint of cinnamon. Have a nice hump day, everybody. So we're working on some new things, a little bit of R&D. Nothing too crazy, but just trying to do things legit, make it right, solid. So I'll post more on that when it comes. But other than that, just doing some printing today. Frame sets are arriving from my good friend, Mr. Carter, who cuts all my carbon. So that's cool. Cranking out another drone here, hopefully within the next 5 days, if I can. Yeah, but so far, things are good. Just printing out some of these brackets, the electronic enclosures. Just another day. Another day. Hope everybody's having a good one. Just got some stuff in. Got a frame set in for another big drone here. Some battery trays. Got these next date actually. Lots of battery trays here. So each set of batteries gets its own tray. So we send out four battery trays per machine. So I got a few for a few machines here. So that comes from Florida. Then I just got some carbon fiber tubes as well. These are for each of the arms. And I also get these from Florida as well. So I made a post about it, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago, but I think it's worth reposting. So as a American drone manufacturer, I get a lot of my stuff from other vendors. And so I get some things from China, I get some things from Australia, some things from Europe and such, and a lot of parts from America. And I feel like as a American manufacturer, when I can, I really try to support other American manufacturers. So for example, these tubes I get from, I believe it's Florida as well. And so I could pay probably $5 less per tube if I were to order them from China. But by buying them from here in the US, I pay like $5 more. I help out an American company and they cut them to length for me. So what's not to like about that? So supporting little American manufacturers and small businesses like myself. Same with the carbon. This is done by my good friend David Carter in Florida, and he kills it. I mean, it's the most accurate cuts I've ever gotten. Best customer service in the industry, and you gotta love it. So yeah, doing a lot of American manufacturing. American manufacturing helps out poor, small, innocent creatures like this. Right, Milo? Good boy. Mm-hmm.